Happy Wednesday, everyone.
We are locked and loaded, ready to go start setup at Triple Crown of Rotting.
Loading in.
We are back at the shop, and this is a big dash being printed. "44 hours to go." I'm not sure who's working here, but
How many idiots does it take to align a steering box?
Well, I was going to crush Carson's hand while he held.
3 idiots.
Well, Jeff's just over here holding the black rod. I'm over here trying to center the box. And Carson's making sure the piece doesn't fall out.
It's
And
a
Carson's
group
hanging
effort.
out. This is awesome. I don't think I'm going to show this clip.
You definitely should. Best clip of the day.
Well, I mean, you got Jeff holding the black rod.
All right, let's say that one more time. They're out of control up there. You can tell it's showy. How's it going, Jeremy?
What up?
You got it all welded up, looking good?
That's the moment of truth now. Make sure everything still fits.
Nice.
Kind of, sort of. We'll get there.
Right on. Finessing. Looking good.
Handing away my fingerprints.
What are you doing, Mom?
Testing.
Testing?
So this is not the right knob, but this is a little switch to control the multiple batteries in a car we're working on.
Oh, okay.
So it'll force shut down both batteries, and the next option will force shut down one of the batteries and shut down the electronic, the PDM. And then the middle position is just auto, so it'll lock both batteries on with ignition or just float, and if the conditions are met, they'll turn on and off automatically.
So with
And
the turn
then-
of a switch, it'll turn it on? Or...
Yeah, and then you can select one battery or the second battery.
Cool.
So basically you can leave it on auto, and all of the electronics that need memory will run down one battery, and then it'll disconnect itself, and then you can still start it on the other battery.
Right on.
And then when you start the car, it'll automatically charge them both.
Nice. It's cool, Mo.